Well, today I'm going to change the light bulb in my 2005 Durango because it burned out, and I've actually never replaced it in this as long as I've owned it. So, this is going to be interesting. So it's the driver's side bulb that's out. So these aren't like the other cars where you go in through the hood. You have to go into the wheel well, and there's a little panel in here. Let's see if I can get it open real fast. Okay. So since I took the panel out from under here, I don't know if you can really see it that well. Now I gotta go to the front of the car and then use a ratchet with two 10mm sockets and take these two little bolts out in the front. So give me a minute. So after you take the two bolts out of the front here, there's actually one inside here as well. You can't get a good angle on it. And it's also 10mm, and then once you get that one out, your light assembly just pretty much pulls right out. So the bulb I'm actually replacing is this one, so let's do it, twist it the right way. There we go. Take it out. I'll grab my new one. Alright, I'm going to take the old bulb out. There was a red clip holding this in. I already popped it out. So push this little button here, and it slides right out. So I take my new bulb, pretty much reverse it. Slide it back in there. Make sure it's tight. And then the pain in the ass part is trying to usually get these to line back up with this. Oh, there we go. See, now the bulb's in. And then pretty much all I gotta do now is push the light back into place. Bolts are all in, all the little clips in that are holding it back in. Test it out real quick. Make sure everything's okay. And I didn't even turn them on. What the heck did I do? And I just put the automatic setting on. There we go. There we go, it's on. I'm happy.